Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Studies for You. This is Satish and today's agenda is Python installation. So today I will show you how to download the Python and how to install the Python and how to set the environmental variables, that is path for the Python execution command prompt, and also I will show you today how to execute the sample program in Python in both interactive mode and as well as command prompt. Now first we will see that how to download the Python and how to install the Python. First we need to go to the Google and we have to type Python download and we need to click the download Python from the python.org. This is the official website for the Python, and here you can find download Python 3.8.3. This is the current version for the Python, and also if you want other versions, that is also available bottom of the screen. See here 3.8, 3.7, 3.6, 3.5 and 2.7. So these are the different versions which are available in the Python, but latest version 3.8. so I am going to be downloading 3.8 is the version, and click on the download Python 3.8.3 button, and you can find, see here it's downloading. So once downloading completed, just open the folder. So here you just double click on that software which you downloaded previously, and here a small point I want to discuss with you. See here there is a checkbox add Python 3.8 to path. So this is what I want to tell you, environmental variable path. So in latest version they given an option to auto set for the path for the Python. In previous version we don't have this option. We should do manually by copy that particular path where you install in the environmental variables, but in this case you need not to do that. You just check it out and then click on install now, and now it will start the installing process in the system. And if you forget to check the respective checkbox, even we can manually set the respective path for Python. So that also I will show you where we can save that particular path variable, and we have to wait until the setup completed. Yeah, so setup was successful. Now we just close this window and successfully installed in your machine. Now we need to check that whether Python successfully installed or not. To do that, we have to go to command prompt. So just click on cmd in search bar and click on command prompt. Now type here just Python and click on enter. So if you are getting the prompt as similar as shown on the screen here, so Python is successfully installed in your machine. If not, if it is showing like Python is not recognized as an internal or external command, that means Python is not installed successfully, or Python is not set it in the environmental variable. So here if you observe that it is showing that Python 3.8.3 is the version of our Python, so it's successfully installed. So this is we call interactive mode. So when you enter Python as a command, then the command prompt only acting as a Python prompt, so where you can type Python script and where you can execute the programs simply by enter command. So let us assume that here if I want to run the code, simply we can type print, let's take hello world. Now you see enter. So simply it is showing that hello world. See that? So print is the output statement in Python. To print something in Python program, we will use print statement. So here print welcome to Python. So semicolon not required. See here welcome to Python. If you want to come out of this interactive mode, just press the Ctrl Z. So enter. So now it will come out of the interactive mode, and again it is acting as your regular command prompt. If you want to once again go to the interactive mode, just type Python enter. Now again it is interactive mode. Now also if you want to read some input, also we can read. So let's take example a is equal to input. So here input is the input statement in the Python where you can read the dynamical input from the keyboard, and let's take enter any value. So now it is asking enter any value. Let's take example, I am showing Satish. See here. So now I want to print that value. Let's take print. So now you see the Satish will be printed. Like this we can run the small snippets in this interactive mode, but if you want to store it back, means these are not reusable scripts. And also there is another limitation. If the script is more length, it is very complicated to manage in the interactive mode. So at that time it is better to go for any editor like Notepad or Notepad++ or Visual Code, anything else. So you just open any editor and type your program, save that file with extension .py and run that program with a command called Python. So how we will do that part, we'll see now. So just I am opening notepad. So see here. So here just I'm printing print the same welcome to Python, and here I'm writing name is equal to input of enter your name, and now I'm printing the name which is given by the user. So print welcome to, and here concatenation operator will be comma. In Java it is plus, but in Python it is comma. So now name. So once your program time is completed, we have to save this file with extension .py. So I'm going to be saving this file in D drive, some my folder Satish and Python. So here I'm writing hello.py. So we have to save this document with extension .py. Save. And now once again go to the command prompt and move the directory where you save this particular file. So that is very important. So now we have to remember where this file is going to be saving. So now here in my case, I saved this document in D drive under Satish and under Python folder. So here I saved the file name hello. So now you see, first I want to move to the D drive, D:/enter, and after that I want to move to the CD Satish and under Python. So here my file is there with the name called hello.py. Now if I want to run this file, simply Python space hello.py. So now you see welcome to Python. It is asking enter your name. Let's take example. I'm entering Satish. So now welcome to Satish. So this is how we can run the program in the Python in command prompt. So in command prompt we can run the program in two ways. One is interactive mode, another one is through any editor. So that might be notepad, notepad++, edit+, visual code, vim, sublime, anything as your comfort. From anywhere you can say we can run the file, and I may use that PyCharm. So PyCharm is the most preferable editor to use as a Python editor, and PyCharm is having more convenient to run the Python programs. So in next session I will show you how to install the PyCharm and how to run the program in PyCharm. And before going to close the session, I will also show you how to set the environmental variable. So because it is not needed in our case, but sometimes if you forget to check that box, definitely it will cause a error called it is not recognized as an internal or external command. So in that case, what we have to do? So first we need to copy the path where our Python get installed in our machine. So in my case, it is installed in C drive, and after that you just here I hit, and here it will be app data. So app data is not visible to you directly, so we have to type it under that local and under that programs, and here you can observe that Python, and here Python 3832, and this is the folder what we require to add into the environmental variable. So just copy this variable and right click on this PC properties and click on advanced system variables and then environmental variables, and then click on new and type path here and paste the path and click on OK. And this path, if it is not available in your list, you should follow the same process. If it is already there as similar to here, just click on edit and you may have an option new, and if you have to paste the path what we copied so far. This is the process we have to follow to set the path for the Python to run in the command prompt. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment in comment section, and for online and offline classes please visit our website www.fratelloinnotech.com, and for more tutorials please visit our website www.kennysworld.com. Please support us by subscribing our channel. If you like this video really, please subscribe our channel and please hit the bell icon for more notifications, and please share the video and like the video if you really enjoy the video. Thanks for supporting us.